Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom, where money is no longer a constant source of stress? You're not alone. Millions of people feel trapped in the rat race, but it doesn't have to be this way. Ramit Sethi, author of the New York Times bestseller I Will Teach You to Be Rich, offers a clear, actionable path to financial freedom. And in this essay, we'll break down his powerful 6-week program. This isn't about penny pinching or giving up the things you love. It's about making your money work harder for you, so you can live a richer, more fulfilling life. Get ready to unlock your financial potential and take control of your future. Many people view credit cards with fear and suspicion, but in Ramit Sethi's world, they're a powerful tool for building wealth. The key is to use them strategically, not impulsively. Week 1 focuses on understanding how credit cards work, checking your credit score and improving it if needed, and choosing the right cards for your spending habits. Imagine earning free flights, cashback rewards, and other perks just by using your credit card responsibly. That's the power of credit card optimization. Don't let fear hold you back from leveraging this valuable financial tool. Remember, this isn't about spending more than you can afford. It's about making your existing spending work in your favor. By the end of week 1, you'll have a solid understanding of how to make credit cards work for you, not against you. Did you know that your bank account could be making you money instead of costing you money? That's right. In week 2, we dive into the world of high-interest savings accounts and checking accounts with minimal fees. Why settle for a measly 0.01% interest when you could be earning significantly more? Sethi provides a clear roadmap for finding the best deals and maximizing your returns. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart choices that add up over time. Even small changes in your banking habits can make a big difference in the long run. By the end of week 2, you'll have the knowledge and tools to ensure your money is working as hard as it can for you. Week 3, Investing. Start early, grow big. A beginner's guide to investing. Investing can seem intimidating, especially for beginners, but Sethi demystifies the process, making it accessible and understandable for everyone. Week 3 focuses on the fundamentals of investing, including different investment options, risk tolerance, and building a diversified portfolio. The key takeaway? Start early. The power of compound interest means that the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Sethi provides simple, actionable advice for getting started, even if you're starting with a small amount of money. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back from growing your wealth. By the end of week 3, you'll have the confidence to start investing and watch your money grow over time. Week 4, Conscious Spending, Mastering Your Money. A practical approach to budgeting. Budgeting doesn't have to be about deprivation and restriction. Sethi's approach to budgeting, which he calls conscious spending, is about understanding your spending habits, identifying your priorities, and making intentional choices about where your money goes. Week 4 is about taking control of your finances, not letting them control you. You'll learn how to track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your happiness, and allocate your money towards the things that matter most to you. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. By the end of week 4, you'll have a clear understanding of where your money is going and how to make it work harder for you. Week 5 and 6, Automation Your Personalized Money System, Linking and Automating for Ultimate Control. Imagine a world where your finances practically run themselves. That's the power of automation. In weeks 5 and 6, we'll focus on linking your accounts, setting up automatic bill payments, and creating a system that ensures your financial goals are met with minimal effort. This is about taking the stress out of managing your money and freeing up your time and mental energy for the things you love. Sethi provides step-by-step guidance for setting up a system that works for you, so you can spend less time worrying about money and more time living your life. By the end of week 6, you'll have a fully automated personal finance system that works seamlessly in the background, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Conclusion: take control of your financial future. Ramit Sethi's 6-week program provides a clear, actionable path to financial freedom. By following his advice, you can escape the rat race, take control of your finances, and start living a richer, more fulfilling life. If you're ready to unlock your financial potential, hit that subscribe button below and join the Tylerblogger community. Leave a comment below and let me know what financial goals you're working towards. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who could benefit from this valuable information. Together, let's make financial freedom a reality.